Mom's a yeah. Okay.
You idiot! I need the mustard.
It was in the shot.
You're in the shot.
Okay. Hey. Wait, you're on my good side.
No.
I'm just joking. Okay. Hey everyone. So today. Okay, go. Wait.
I won't say anything.
Hey everyone, so today we're making either a Salmon Wellington or a salmon en route to Lick's Burger Shop in Barrie, if they still have it. But like, we're putting random stuff in it. It technically could just be a salmon hot pocket. You explaining it might not make sense, but by the end of this video, you'll probably get the gist of what it is.
Can I pee now?
Okay, let's get to the cooking. And yes, you can go pee. Oh my god, that's a lot of butter.
No, it's not. Now cut up the mushrooms.
In diced?
Sliced.
Sliced. Alright. Everyone's gonna be like, what the hell is this chick doing? Turned out good. I think the fish was too thick because it wasn't a good ratio. Where the thick part of the fish was, there wasn't enough pastry, but I didn't know what to do about that. Actually, I would have cut the fish thinner, you're right. Yeah, but then where's the skin gonna be? What if we smushed it down like patty?
No!
I like the filling that we put in.
Filling was good. Maybe more spinach.
Well, this is root beer, not Coke. Yeah, the parents liked it. Jen doesn't think that matters.
Nope. Ethan laughed at us.
Why?
Because I was on the call with him and then I took it out of the oven and showed him.
Mm-hmm.
He said, "Is that a video?" I said, "Yes." And then he just laughed. I don't know.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Is he laughing because he wishes he could make it like that?
Who cares?
I care, Jen. I care about every single one of my followers. He doesn't subscribe. Oh, the potatoes and carrots turned out fine too.
Okay, that's not even worth mentioning. That's just roasted.
Okay.
There's a man at the front
Cut
door.
that out. Is it Dad?
Yes.
That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did.
Send me money for Disney Magic Kingdom.
What do you think they should comment down below?
Disney Magic Kingdom.
Subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, I'll see you later.